Hey community! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while, but I'm back with a brand new demo, and this one's all about CopilotStudio. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment below if you find this helpful. I'm posting regular demos, tips, and real use cases, so stay tuned. Alright, let's dive in. Today, we're going to learn how to use Generative Answers in CopilotStudio and connect it to your own website like Sightspeak AI, Copilots, or create a new one. Now, let's add a knowledge source. This is where the Copilot will learn from. On the left side menu, click on Knowledge, then go to Sources. Click Add a Source, choose the website option, and paste your website URL. Once you do that, CopilotStudio will crawl and read that website's content and use it to answer questions. You can also add documents like PDFs, Word files, or SharePoint links. But for now, let's keep it simple with just the website. Next, go to Settings, then AI Capabilities. Make sure the Generative Answers toggle is turned on. This is the feature that lets your Copilot give smart, AI-generated responses based on the website content. Now let's test it. Click Test Your Copilot at the top right. Try asking something that's mentioned on your site. For example, what is Sightspeak AI used for? And just like that, your Copilot should reply with a helpful answer, even though you didn't create a specific topic for that question. Pretty cool, right? So that's how you enable Generative Answers in CopilotStudio using your own website as a knowledge source. If this demo helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.